Hi, Tom Ulbrich again. I've heard it said that the number one reason people introduce or refer anything or anyone is that it makes them feel good. Do you think that's true? And I was wondering if it's true for you. If you feel good when you introduce a restaurant or a book or a movie to a person you really care about and really love, and then they come back to you and say, "Thanks for sharing that book or that movie or that restaurant." Does that make you feel good? Well, if that's true, then there are people out there who may need my help. And if you introduce them to me, you will feel good. When I say people who may need my help, this is who I would love you to notice. Just notice that there are people who are getting married or trying to grow their family right now. These are people who may want to purchase their first home or move into a bigger home. Maybe it's a friend, maybe it's somebody at work, or somebody at your church, maybe someone in your social circle. Maybe they want to take some equity out of their home and use it as a down payment to buy a home on the lake or purchase investment property. This is the best time to buy in the last 40 years, you know. Or maybe you know someone who's going through a divorce or a death in the family and they really need some financial advice. These are the types of situations to notice because these people really do need help. And when you do notice someone who needs help, would you simply take out your cell phone, look up my number, and call me immediately? We can talk about how you can introduce us to each other. I can help them. And I know when you do that, you will feel so good because a referral is when you introduce someone you care about to someone you respect. And I know how good you'll feel when they come up to you and say, "Thank you for introducing Tom Ulbrich to me." So best to you, and please notice those people who can use my help. Remember, I'm on your team, and please don't keep me a secret.